Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of Hacoo. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.